CMF Watch Pro 2 Detailed Review. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the CMF Watch Pro 2. With its affordable price, this smartwatch stands out with its impressive features. From the AMOLED screen, advanced health tracking, phone call support, to its long battery life, this model offers a lot. But does it really justify its price tag? Let's find out together. Before we start, a quick reminder. If you want to see more in-depth reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Your support helps us review the latest tech and share our experiences. Also, your thoughts are really important to us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions about the product in the comments, and by doing so, you'll help improve the quality of our content. Now, let's get into the review. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The CMF Watch Pro 2 has an aluminium alloy body with a 45mm diameter, and it looks really sleek. Weighing just 48.1 grams without the strap, it's neither too light nor uncomfortable on the wrist. The silicone straps are interchangeable, so you can personalize the watch with different colors and materials whenever you want. When we get to the display, we're greeted with a 1.32-inch AMOLED panel. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and 353 ppi pixel density, this screen offers great visibility with 620 nits of brightness. The 60 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth navigation through the menus. The screen is also scratch resistant, promising long-term durability. Features and smart functions. Despite being an affordable model, the CMF Watch Pro 2 offers a lot of smart features. First of all, you can make phone calls via Bluetooth. The watch's microphone has noise-cancelling functionality, ensuring your voice comes through clearly. The speaker quality is sufficient for everyday use. In addition, there are useful daily functions like smart notifications, call management, music control, camera remote, find my phone, and even a calculator. You are my motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Health and fitness tracking. Now, let's talk about health features. The CMF Watch Pro 2 tracks vital health metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen level, SpO2, sleep tracking, stress levels, and breathing exercises. It also has features for women's health tracking. For fitness, the watch supports 120 different workout modes, including running, cycling, walking, elliptical cycling, strength training, and many more. The watch keeps track of your activity history and helps you analyze your progress. Battery performance. The CMF Watch Pro 2 has a 305 mAh battery. On paper, it offers 216 hours of battery life with heavy usage, 264 hours with moderate usage, and 45.8 days in standby mode. During my usage, I got about 10 to 12 days, which is quite good. It charges fully in about 100 minutes with a magnetic charging dock. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Connectivity and other features. This smartwatch doesn't have Wi-Fi or NFC support, but it provides a stable connection with Bluetooth 5.3. It also supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou positioning services, which is a big plus for outdoor sports enthusiasts. With IP6X and IPX8 certifications, the CMF Watch Pro 2 is dust and water resistant, making it suitable for daily water exposure or rain. User experience and interface. The CMF Watch Pro 2 has a simple and user-friendly interface. The menu transitions are smooth, but some animations feel a bit simpler compared to its competitors. Especially when compared to the previous model, there's no noticeable speed improvement in the software. However, thanks to the AMOLED screen's vibrant colors, the icons and menus are sharp and clear. On the customization front, you can change watch faces and access hundreds of different interface options via the app. There's even an option to set your own photo as a watch face, adding a personal touch. Thank you for always being there for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Call quality and connection range. The phone call feature on the watch is a significant advantage. However, while the Bluetooth connection range is around 10 meters under ideal conditions, it can drop to 6 to 7 meters with obstacles like walls. The noise cancelling feature ensures clear sound in indoor environments, but in outdoor, windy, or noisy conditions, the person on the other end may hear a muffled voice. The speaker is sufficient for daily use, but when using it outside, you may need to turn your wrist toward the speaker to hear it better. The microphone's position offers a comfortable experience during calls, but you might notice some sound cuts when your arm is moving. It's great to have you with me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Health data accuracy and app support. The heart rate and SpO2 measurements are generally accurate, but minor discrepancies can be observed when compared to professional health devices. Especially during intense workouts, there can be slight delays in heart rate measurement. As for sleep tracking, the watch shows light and deep sleep durations in detail, but sometimes it struggles to detect the exact time you fall asleep. Health data is tracked through the CMF Watch app, which syncs with Google Fit or Apple Health. So, if you use other health apps, you can easily transfer the watch data to those platforms. I need you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Sports mode user experience and GPS accuracy. The watch supports over 120 sports modes, but the most commonly used are running, walking, cycling, and fitness training. For outdoor activities like running and cycling, GPS kicks in and tracks your location accurately. However, in densely built city areas, GPS may show a few meters of deviation. It's easy to see your workout history. You can check your sports activities directly on the watch or get detailed analysis via the app. You can also add reminders for your goals and track your daily calorie burning targets. Daily usage scenarios. The CMF Watch Pro 2 offers many advantages for daily use. You can check your sleep data when you wake up, keep track of notifications throughout the day, and get detailed analysis while exercising. The GPS feature is a big plus for outdoor running, as you don't need to carry your phone. In terms of battery life, if you exercise daily and receive constant notifications, you'll get about 8 to 10 days of usage. However, if you only use the watch for basic notifications, it can last 12 to 14 days. If you keep the GPS on constantly, the battery life drops significantly, limiting usage to around 8 to 10 hours. You're the one who motivates me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. CMF Watch Pro 2 price. The CMF Watch Pro 2 is priced around $59 in the US. This is a very affordable price considering the features it offers. With the AMOLED screen, phone call support, and health tracking features, the $59 price tag makes it an attractive option. Conclusion. So, should you buy the CMF Watch Pro 2? Honestly, the features it offers in this price range are quite satisfying. The AMOLED display, phone call support, GPS features, and long battery life put it ahead of its competitors. However, the lack of Wi-Fi and NFC might be a disadvantage for some users. If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch with a sleek design, smooth interface, and solid features, the CMF Watch Pro 2 is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think about the CMF Watch Pro 2? Do its design, features, and the experience it offers meet your expectations? Does it meet your needs for daily use, or would you prefer an alternative model? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss it together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notifications, and like the video to make sure you don't miss detailed reviews like this one! See you in the next video. Take care.